Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And we provide different solutions ranging from Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, suspensions management, Facebook Ads, suspension management, Bing Ads, even SEO and web development services as well. So today I'm here with another amazing case study regarding Google Merchant Center suspension. And now you know why it's amazing and why it's different from all other case studies we provided is because in this case study we got the account restored without even requesting the request review button on Google Merchant Center. So this makes this case study exceptional and different because we didn't have to press that button. For those who are asking for how much time we in which we got it restored, it was between 11 days, 10 to 11 days, and again it can take 2 to 3 weeks as well. So which is why we are very cautious with giving time frames, because it can certainly take sometimes a lot of time and sometimes it can be done quickly, because it all depends upon the audit, changes requirement, and the discussion with Google team. And trust me, the client was surprised on how you did it without even requesting the request review button. So then we told them that we are a Google partner company, and definitely we worked with the Google to get the higher support, and through the higher and wider team support we usually have discussions on, and we asked for a manual review. And that account was, although we got few accounts restored with the manual support, but all in all they were suggested, even the support suggested to go with the review. And in case the review failed, then they did the manual review to get it restored. But in this case study we didn't even had to do the request review option. And the client was certainly surprised on, firstly initially his products were disapproved, and then it became to limited, and he was surprised and like what's changed. And then I told him that it's going to be approved soon. So I'm going to show you exactly what we did and how we did it. So let's get started with me on this. So you can see that this was the original picture of the account. When the client provided us with this account, you can see the account has everything, but one setup and policy issue. The account was suspended for very famous Google Merchant Center suspension policy, and that is misrepresentation, which I think majority of you already know about it. So, and I have already like 5, 6, 7, 8 videos regarding misrepresentation suspension. So this was a case study regarding this. And now I'm going to show you. First of all, when we did a thorough review of the account, we figured that there were some issues with the privacy policy, return and refund policies, payment policies on how you are accepting payments, the process, the procedure. We feel that there were certain things which we needed to improve. Then we looked on their social media channels. There were a few suggestions for the social media channels, improvement, linkage. And then we did some audits on the budget center profiling information, and we linked with the website provided, and we found some differences zone. We suggested for those differences. And there was a time when client gave us the website details, and we did complimentary the stuff of editing their website as per our requirement. And trust me, the client was patient to give us free hand on do whatever you want to do, but get me approved. So this was a good gesture from the client on his side, that he wanted to get it restored, and he was very cooperative in regards to this. And then we asked for even certifications and other things. He could provided with those which he had. So he provided us with the maximum information, and we were like, we were filing a case or running a case on behalf of them. So we felt like at a moment like we are lawyers for them, that as a lawyer we fought their case with the Google team regarding why suspended, and information, the client legacy, and all other things. Again, it's always a teamwork. I'm not the only sole person who's do. I have a team and I need support from your team as well to get it done, to get it restored. And then I'm gonna show you few even the review of the client as well as his feedback, so you can see okay on what exactly happened. So you can see that once I sent the client this image, so he was first of all surprised on, because he was the the products were not approved anymore, and it was in a limited scenario. So he was at the confusion on what happened exactly, and then because it was not in approved state either. So I showed him that there are no notification errors, which means that the account is now restored. So he was like, how it's happened without even requesting the review button. And then I told him that you can see over here that you go to the product section and you can see the visibility that the products are approved now, and it's going to take some more time to get it approved up and running. And now you can see that it's now approved and visible for his client. And the feeling of the client is definitely out exceptionally. He was very happy, because he tried himself the best, and he wasn't able to get it restored. And then he gave me one of the best reviews, and that was created communication. Most importantly, he got my account restored. Thank you, Google Merchant account, thank you so much. So you can see the client feedback to you as well. So that makes us exceptional. And this was another exceptional feeling as well on restoration. And then there were a few certain things as well, that newsletter was having issue, the contact form was having issue. We tried everything. We have around a 44 step detailed checkout audit checklist for the Google Merchant Center accounts to get it up and running. So it was actually although it was a time taking procedure, but in the GMC scenario, some clients take a lot of time. So if we compare with those, so 11-12 days are fair enough to get restored and up and running, and the client was very happy with it. And he was patient. He was also supported us on this. So in case if you want your Google Merchant Center account restored, up and running, or for Google ads or Facebook ads, or in case if you need any help with the management, setting up of campaigns for Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, even SEO services, even as well as we help in creating and developing landing pages as well. So in case if you need any help in those things, we will be gladly able to help you out, work you out in regards to those, to get your campaign and digital campaigns and marketing up and running. So I like to end the video here with this. In case if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this box. And I want you guys to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a video like this. Once again, thank you for watching it out. And in case if you want our services, the details are in the description of this video. Thank you and bye bye.